everyone, my name is Maria Bermudez and I am a disability attorney. I help people who cannot work due to injuries or illness obtain benefits under the Social Security Act and also ERISA, which is for employer-sponsored plans for disability benefits as well. I'd like to talk to you today specifically about benefits under the Social Security Act, Social Security Disability Insurance benefits, and Supplemental Security Income benefits, which we call SSI. And in a previous video, I talked about the process for applying and being awarded benefits. And now I'd like to talk to you a little bit about preparing for a hearing. So when you're represented by an attorney, there's a number of things that go on in order to prepare for a hearing. I jokingly call it Super Bowl time because it really is. You've been through several appeals by the point of being scheduled for a hearing. So when you get that hearing notice, it's very important that your file is fully prepared and you are fully prepared for your hearing. So I think that the two most important parts of preparing for a hearing in front of an administrative law judge from a practice perspective and as an attorney are, number one, making sure that the medical record is complete. So in the prior appeals, the Social Security Administration and you and your attorney may have submitted things to this record. And by the time you get to the point of being scheduled for a hearing, an electronic record has been established, which your attorney, if you have one, has access to, and it provides the rationale why you were denied at the previous appeal stages, at the initial application level, at the reconsideration level. So this online file has the reasons for that. The online file has all the medical records that were accumulated at the prior stages. So preparing for a hearing involves a review of that online file to see what medical records are in the file, what recent medical evidence needs to be requested so that it can be submitted. And there's also times where there may be providers that just didn't respond at the initial application level or at the reconsideration level, so those records aren't in Social Security's electronic file at all. So those need to be requested and submitted so that the record is complete. The other major part of preparation for a hearing is preparing for testimony. It's important that you know what to expect when you go to your Social Security hearing with the administrative law judge. There are several things that could catch you entirely off guard. One of the things that I talk to my clients about is the presence of a vocational expert during the hearing. Sometimes the vocational expert talks about the kind of work that you used to do, or there's hypothetical questions that a judge may pose during the hearing to the vocational expert. And if a client, a claimant, isn't prepared to hear those things, it may sound like your case is getting denied, and that might not be the case at all. So it's important to know what to expect during the hearing, know what you're expected to testify about, know who the players in the room are, so that you can make the most of your hearing and really be able to convey to the judge what it is that you've been going through and why you are seeking these benefits as a safety net for you and your family. For more information, my website is mariabermudezlaw.com. My telephone number is 267-460-1099, and you can find me on Facebook at Maria Bermudez Law. I hope you found this information helpful. Thank you.